DC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment updates from 3 different companies. These are 3 big companies and they are conducting bulk recruitments. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. The companies are Wipro and then there is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is actually hiring bulk people, or this is a mass recruitment update. And then the third company is Hexaware. It is again an IT company and they are also hiring 2022 batch. Okay, so this video is actually for a lot of people till 2022 batch, from 2015 or 16 or 17, whichever year of pass out you are, or even if you are a 2020 pass out candidate, please to watch this video till the end. Okay, also if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe and follow us on our Instagram page. Let's have a look on the company updates one by one. The first company that we are going to see is Wipro. I must tell you that Wipro is hiring lot of people. Lot of new recruitment updates are being posted in the career site of Wipro. And actually, this is the right time if you're interested in any of these big companies. For example, Wipro, or if it is Accenture or Cognizant, or if it is some other companies like Infosys or TCS. So this is the right time for actually applying to this company, or getting placed in these companies. Because when there was a COVID situation starting period, lot of employees actually lost their jobs, and now the companies is in requirement of a lot of employees, so they are hiring bulk amount of people. Lot of people are actually hired by these companies. So if you are also interested in these companies, this is the right time to search for jobs and apply for jobs. Okay, so let's have a look on the first post, which is production specialist. The location is Kolkata. Currently you can get work from home. Here you can see that there is no experience or anything being asked. Qualifications also they have not mentioned anything. So if you are interested, definitely apply for it. Okay, if you are having any graduation, you can apply for it. The things which they have actually asked is behavioral skills, knowledge in customer culture, then domain knowledge, customer centricity, then commitment. Very simple things, very simple. Dedication, you should be a good learner. That is the only thing you need to have. Good behavioral skills also. Other than that, there is no specific requirement. The location is Kolkata. Currently, you can work from home because all the IT employees, our relatives or our brothers or our sisters, they are all working from home. So currently, you will get work from home. And then, after some time, the COVID situation will be completely settled and they'll call back the employees. Okay. So in that case, you will have to relocate to this given location. Okay. Next, the recruitment we are going to see is from Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is actually hiring for 2020 and 2021 batch of pass out, and the qualifications that are eligible are BE Tech, MCA and MSc. For the case of MSc, only computer science batch is eligible, but for BE Tech and MCA, all the streams are eligible, and the year of pass out they are calling is 2020 and 2021. Okay, so they have given the details about what is going to be the requirements and all. Okay, so engineering branches they have actually mentioned is computer science, IT, EC, telecom. So a lot of streams of BE Tech are eligible. Okay, so they have not actually asked for civil or diploma. Civil or mechanical engineering. So other than that, mostly all the streams of BE Tech and then MCA, all the MCA candidates are eligible. Okay. So you need to have minimum 60% in 10th, 12th and also in your graduation and all. Okay. So if you are interested, you can definitely apply here. Just click on this. I have read the instructions and all, and then click on continue. I'll do that for you. Then click on continue. Now you will move to a application form. So this is the application form that you have to fill up. Okay. So please fill up this application form and please to apply for it this moment itself if you are a 2020 or 2021 pass out candidate. Okay. So please to apply for it as soon as possible. It doesn't matter if you are an IITian or not. Even if you are not from IIT, you also deserve to get a good salary or a good pay level. So we are going to see about a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. Here you can actually get 200 plus leading companies and you can actually get your favorite domain of work. That can be front end, back end, or whichever domain you are interested in. You can get your dream area of work, your dream company and your dream package. Okay. So here 200 plus leading companies like Cred, Meesho, Urban Company, Upgrad. These companies are actually hiring through this platform. Other than that, there is also a lot of startup companies which are hiring through this platform. So what do you have to do? Do you have to pay any money? No, absolutely no. You just have to click on this icon which is called Get Hired. And then the next thing you are going to do is you are going to book a test slot. And if you get a good score in the test which you'll be giving, you will be hired or you'll be approached by the companies. You don't have to go to the company sites and apply multiple times. The companies will come to you. So what can be good more than this? So please do check out the link which I'll be putting in description box, and please make use of this free of cost platform. To know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. So the next recruitment update we are going to see is from Hexaware. So there is actually 3 category of recruitments happening. Okay, so there is a off-campus drive happening for 2021 batch. Also there is a off-campus drive happening for 22 batch. And then there is actually a buddy referral program also happening. So we'll see the job description. Just click on this job description in order to see the details. Okay. So these are the links which I have opened, and I'm actually going to show you what is the requirements and who all can apply. Okay. So the first one, it is actually a graduate engineer trainee recruitment for the 21 batch. So the year of passing is 21. Only 21 candidates can apply here. I'll be posting the link separately in description. So the 21 candidates just have to go to the first link. I'll be also writing the year of pass out which is eligible. Okay, so just go to the 21 link and apply. And the streams they're calling is computer science, IT, EC, then E and ETC, EIE, IC. Okay, so all the computer science related, IT related, and electronics related candidates can apply. BTech and MCA. Okay, not MEM Tech. MEM Tech candidates you cannot apply here. Okay, now here also they are asking for 60% or 6.0 CGPA in 10th, 12th UG. Means undergraduation, post-graduation. Okay, now active backlogs and maximum 1 year of gap is allowed. Okay, so if you are having these qualifications, please do apply for it. Also they have given that mechanical civil branch of candidates cannot apply. So this is the details for 21 batch graduate engineering trainee recruitment. Then for the 22 batch, the same is a qualification. You need to be a pass out candidate of 2022 batch. Okay, so please don't miss out these two things. That is these two links which I'll be posting in description. Then there is again a referral program. So they have actually given that this is a buddy referral program. So you need to be having somebody who is, working with the Hexaware. Okay, the CTC they are offering also, they have given 4 lakh per annum is the CTC for the 6 months for initial 6 months will be training period. And also in that case, you'll be getting 15,000 per month. This is the normal thing happening with all the private companies or all the big MNCs. Initial, there'll be 2 months or 3 months, there'll be training. And then during that training period, you'll be only getting the stipend. After you successfully complete the training, you will be getting the normal CTC, means the normal pay level which they are actually offering. Here the pay level they're offering is 4 lakhs per annum is the pay level that they are offering. Okay. So the date of onboarding they are saying is December 21st. Okay, so please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, I'll be actually posting this link in description. So you can actually just click on this apply now icon and you can apply for whichever post you are interested in. Okay, so all the 21 candidates can apply here, 22 candidates can apply here. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. I am trying to bring up maximum recruitment updates as possible by me. Also, I'm trying to find other contents also. We are posting various useful contents in this channel, especially related to career guidance and also job updates, and some videos on electronics also. So if you are interested in watching any of these contents, please do watch the videos. Please support the channel, subscribe to it. So that's it. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.